Hi guys, so today is March 3rd. What I usually do with my brows is I get them threaded. I'm going in with this, which will protect your skin and make each hair plumper. And then you draw your eyebrows just so you know like how you want your eyebrows to look like, and you don't shave off anything that is your eyebrows. So I'll shave the middle. Ow! Shave the middle. Am I doing this right? Is this supposed to be like this? Ow, it kind of hurts. Ow! I had a dream I was in a hotel and I was sharing it with my brother, and I was running around, and it was the hotel we went to a lot when we were young, but it was also like a restaurant. My aunt, she arrived in the hotel room when I came back into the hotel room, and then she had so many things for me to like bring back to Yangon for her, and I was like, I don't have that much luggage space. And she was like, you'll figure it out. And I'm like, no, I won't. And there were also other people that I knew the hotel, and I said hi to them and they said hi back, but because they were in a larger group than me, I felt like upstaged. Eyebrows are one of the things where before I left for college, I was like, my eyebrow lady, I want to bring you with me. And I like tried to get her to teach me how to shave my own eyebrows, and she tried, but I couldn't learn. I thought this video would take like 2 minutes. I told Gabby like, hey Gabby, can you not come in for 2 minutes please? I need to film this eyebrow video, and she's outside and it's been 7 years. This has been a fail year. Don't do this, guys. This is what you don't do. This is a YouTube video on what you avoid. Don't try to shave your eyebrows if you don't know how to do it. So I bought shaving cream. It's the Barbasol, the big hybrid 3 comfort thing. Oh, okay, so it comes out, pop it in, and then I pull it out. Oh, that was easy. People say that it grows back darker, but those people are lying to you. So let's get shaven. I've been shaving my face for like, I started in college. Look at how yellow my teeth looks compared to the white. I love it. I don't really have tips on how to do it. Go downwards. Some people shave their entire face, and I kind of want to do it. I don't have the guts. This part, there's still some hair there, and there's still some hair there. So let's go in again. I love shaving cream, man. When you shave your face, use a new blade. So that's it. I'm done. Thank you. Thank you guys. I'm very unsatisfied with the way my brows look. I would go in with tweezers. These are from Sephora. They're like the travel size ones that come in a 4-pack. So I just go in and I pluck it. I would take that one out. Ugh! Look at that one hair that's sticking out like that. So I'll just take some toner and then wipe it. I think it's better than my brows looked when we started, which is all that counts. I'm never gonna do this again. So this is how I do my eyebrows. First I take a spoolie and I brush it up. Take this pink Revlon lipstick. Take some on an angled brush. Use the excess to brush it up. I take the spoolie again. I blend it out, or at least try to. Brown brow pencil. Wow, it looks intense. Take a tissue and then clean the spoolie. I clean it again and I go in again. Ta-da! I hope you guys like this video. I'm not saying like, oh, I know how to do brows, because you clearly know that I don't. But I'm having a really good day. Just is coming soon, and that's how I do my eyebrows, because I have pink hair. I don't know if it even makes a difference. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Comment pink, because Carly picked it out for me. Okay, that's it. Have a great day and a great month in March. Bye!